What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for C Limited with the ticker symbol SE. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have C Limited. I look at C Limited practically every Thursday, and let's take a look at what happened since last week Thursday. You can see that price did push up higher slightly to the $45 level and started coming back down to retest that 40.82 level for support, because it was prior support that turned into somewhat of resistance. Now we are shooting right through that level and pulling back to find support because we saw a nice bounce up from today. So this looks like a good higher low situation. Let's see if we get another large leg up. Since this looks like a double bottom in the past, right back over here, I'm going to count this as one large leg up, and price is pulling back, and we can expect a second leg up in the future, and that would take price right to the 50.09 level. So let's see how accurate this measurement target will be. Right now we still need to see price get triggered above this green candle, see a nice move up higher. That would tell me this measurement target is most likely going to be reached right to that $50 level. This is one leg up. Second leg up right to the 50.05. I think it looks pretty good to the upside. We are maintaining support above the EMA, maintaining support of this low $40 level, and we could be seeing another large leg up. I can possibly draw a trend line off of the swings, and let's see how well this maintains support in the long term. So again, since we saw two large legs down, price had a double bottom right at the measure move target, strong move up, pull back, expecting another strong move up. There's not a lot of resistance to the upside. The only thing in the way possibly is this trend line that I drew off of the swing highs, but the bulls should be able to push through it with no problems. So I'm just leaving it here and see how price reacts to it right around the mid 40s. Either way, if price reaches the 50s, I think it might continue pushing them higher in the future to the 56, because there's a very large gap that can be filled. So again, C Limited looking pretty bullish. There's not a lot of reason for price to continue lower. You got to look at the bull signs, you got to look at the bear signs, and then analyze who is stronger. Sometimes the bulls are stronger, much stronger than the bears. Sometimes the bears are much stronger than the bulls. Sometimes they're equal. You know, you're not going to see imbalance between the buyers and sellers. Sometimes it's equal, and you just have to wait and see till more price action develops. As right now, this is looking pretty good to the upside, and I'm only looking at this trend line that could possibly interrupting that move up higher. So again, I'm expecting the $50 level in the next coming days and weeks. Let's see how this works out for C Limited. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here is the weekly chart. Nice push up last week to this week is not looking as bullish, but again, it's not that big of a deal. We're still finding support above the $40 level, which is a good sign. We are definitely far away from the EMA, so price may continue to pull back, which is expected, and it can also pull back to this trend line that I drew off the swing high. So again, overall, the pattern is bullish. Like I said before, C Limited is possibly bottoming out sometime soon, if not already, because after a large downtrend you expect two pushes in that direction, and that's exactly what happened. That's textbook technical analysis. So again, this is a bottoming pattern, so we're going to bottom somewhere around over here, maybe not that large, maybe something like this, and possibly either start trending sideways for a short term and then reverse, or start reversing right now. So that's just a higher likelihood than price continuing to sell off lower. So let's see how this develops for C Limited, and I'll most likely give you guys an update next week Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.